investment lessons we can learn from the Festival of Colors. The Festival of Colors, Holi, is upon us. Holi bestows several life lessons for investors. It heralds the arrival of spring and usually coincides with the end of India's financial year. It is a time for new financial beginnings. Here are some finance management lessons to learn from Holi. Your investment portfolio should be like Holi colors, bright and colorful. Holi is best played when you have fun but practice safety. Just like playing Holi safely, you could choose safe investments and avoid taking too much risk. You can also consider a disciplined investment practice. As the Holi legend goes, Prahlad represents bravery, while Holika represents the greed for power. Likewise, in your investment life, try to emulate Prahlad's bravery. Avoid being like Holika, greedy for higher returns. Holi marks the arrival of spring, a time for new beginnings. Start the new financial year with new energy and vigor. Here's wishing you a very happy Holi and new financial year.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.